The brakes are one of the most critical parts of your car's safety system. If you neglect them, they can lead to costly repairs and even accidents. It is recommended to replace brake pads every 25,000 to 65,000 miles and rotors every 30,000 to 70,000 miles, depending on driving conditions and style. 6 signs it is time to replace your brake pads. 1. Squeaking or squealing coming from brakes. If your brake pads are near the end of their useful life, the first symptom you'll begin to notice is a squeaking or squealing noise coming from the brakes. 2. Grinding sound when braking. If you're experiencing a grinding noise while you're applying pressure to the brake pedal, your brake pads need to be replaced ASAP. 3. Vibration when braking. If you feel your car shaking when you press the brake pedal, it means that there's something wrong with the brakes. The rotors that help stop the car are not smooth anymore, or taking longer to stop. If you're experiencing less than ideal stoppage times while applying your brakes, it may mean your brake pads are worn down completely or brake fluid is low. 5. Brake pad indicator light comes on. Most modern vehicles come with brake warning lights that appear on your dashboard. If you're seeing a brake warning light and your parking brake isn't engaged, it's time to have a brake expert look at your brake system. 6. Your brake pads appear to be thin. If it appears to be less than an inch or 6.4 millimeters thick, and there's brake dust buildup, you're probably due for a set of new brake pads.